I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive your BMW X2. First, take a moment to get comfortable in the driver's seat. Adjust your seat, steering wheel, and mirrors to ensure optimal visibility and control. Locate the Start/Stop button, typically near the gear selector. Press the brake pedal firmly, then press the Start button to bring the engine to life. Familiarize yourself with the iDrive system for navigation and entertainment. Now let's look at the main controls. The gear selector is intuitive. Push forward for reverse, pull back for drive, and press the button on top for park. The electronic parking brake is a small button near the gear selector. Pull it up to engage and push down to release. Your X2 also features various driver assistance systems, like parking sensors, which activate automatically when needed. Take time to understand these features for a safer, more confident drive. The BMW X2 is designed for an engaging driving experience. Its precise steering and firm suspension provide excellent handling. Experiment with the driving modes to find what suits your journey. Comfort mode is ideal for daily commutes, while sport mode sharpens throttle response and steering for a more dynamic feel. Always be aware of your surroundings and drive defensively, anticipating traffic and road conditions. Enjoy the blend of sportiness and practicality. To ensure your BMW X2 continues to perform at its best, adhere to the recommended service schedule. Regular oil changes and tire rotations are crucial for longevity. Keep the interior tidy and clean the exterior regularly to protect the paint finish. Remember, a well-maintained car is a joy to drive. For those looking to enhance their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other great deals. Enjoy every journey in your X2.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.